You can earn 6 figures and still live paycheck to paycheck. You can earn half that and retire wealthy. The difference isn't income, it's architecture. Motivations fade, systems don't. Wealthy people don't manage their money. They run it like a machine, quietly, automatically, and in the background. Today you'll learn the wealth operating system. The 3 quiet modules that turn your money into a system that compounds without you. Wealth isn't built through intensity, it's built through architecture. A wealth operating system removes friction, removes decision fatigue, and removes emotion. It turns wealth into a default outcome, not a daily struggle. There are 3 modules. Together they form your machine. The wealthy always know where their money goes, not because they track every cent, but because they design a system that does it for them. 3 accounts, 3 jobs. Bills keep you stable, wealth grows your future. Life gives you freedom today. Simple, clean, quiet. This is Cashflow Clarity, the foundation every other module sits on.
Automation is the backbone of quiet wealth. Automate your savings, automate your investing, automate your debt reduction. When money moves without your permission, your future becomes predictable. The wealthy don't rely on discipline at the point of spending. They rely on design, long before the moment arrives. Your mind is part of your operating system. Schedule your learning, protect thinking time like an investment, and build leverage, the skills, systems, and assets that scale beyond your hours. Money compounds. Skills compound faster. Together, they create freedom.
A wealth operating system doesn't make you rich overnight. It makes wealth inevitable. Because when your money moves automatically, your decisions become calmer. And calm decisions, repeated quietly for a decade, build the kind of wealth no headline can ever shake. None of this was loud. No hype, no headlines. Just a system, running quietly for years. Design your system, let it run, let it compound. Quiet actions, powerful results. This is wealth without noise.